Hi guys, if Wi-Fi is not working on your iPhone, then here is the fix. The very first fix is just go to settings, this gear shift icon, settings, and then scroll down and find general, tap on general, and now scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. Now tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. Okay, it may ask for your passcode. Enter it and finally tap on reset network settings. Okay. Now once your phone restarts after resetting the network, just try to connect to the Wi-Fi again. Okay, just search to that Wi-Fi and now your Wi-Fi will be connected and working again. Now if this is also not working, then let's move to the second fix. Just go to settings again and scroll down and find privacy and security, tap on it, and now tap on location services, tap on it, and scroll down and find system services, tap on it, and here you will find networking and wireless, turn it off. Okay, turn off networking and wireless, and now restart your phone and your issue will be resolved. If this is also not working, try to restart your router. So just turn off the router, wait for 5 or 10 seconds and then turn it on again, and then try to connect again to the Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. Please do like,